In this demo, we're doing inventory sync for bundled products and their components. So in this example, the bundles are bottle with lid, a red and a blue, and their components are the bottle and the lid. And we are defining the mapping here in Google Sheets, and we're going to pull this in the workflow. And so in this example, you've got two lids that are included in a bundle. So let's say there's a bottle and then an extra lid type of thing, and then one bottle in each of these bundles. The way it works is that anytime inventory is updated, it will calculate, it'll figure out first, are we dealing with a parent? So a parent in this context would be the bundle, and then the child would be the component parts. So whenever inventory levels are updated, we go, wait a minute, is this a parent SKU from this mapping? And if so, we're going to grab, actually, sorry, it does it differently. It says, is this a child SKU? And the way we would know that is we would find parent SKUs that are linked to this one. So if we find parent SKUs, then we know that we're dealing with a child and we want to update the inventory for all the parent SKUs. And so that's what we're doing here. And if not, then we go, oh, let's see if we're dealing with a parent SKU that has its children. This is so confusing to explain. And so that's where in this else condition we're firing off to this other workflow here. And so this one says, okay, let me look for child SKUs. And if I find any, then I know that I'm a parent and I'm updating all my children. All right. So that's how it works. It's a little complicated, this workflow. Might have spent 9 hours on this, but yeah. And the Google Sheet here, you can use this as a template that should be publicly accessible. And then you can pull that in, define your own mappings. Might want to set up a little view in the inventory tab like this in order to quickly see all the bundle and component products. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, we do need to disable the duplicate handling. So by default, we will skip duplicate webhooks here in this inventory updated trigger. And that can get confusing, particularly for this workflow. So just let us know. We can manually disable that for your account. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. So feel free to download these workflows. Let us know if you need help setting that up.